and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to have you here. My name is Damaris and I am a wife and a mom of 2 kids. That's Amir, my husband, and Amari, my son. My daughter Dahlia is just 3.5 months old, and so she's mostly not pictured as she spends most of her time sleeping. This week's video is actually part of my new posting schedule. Up until now, I have been posting on Tuesdays at 10 a.m. but I have decided to include additional video and content on Fridays at 10 a.m. So we'll do one Friday and skip another, so it'll be every other Friday. Starting off here, we are just hanging up this painting. My sister-in-law actually did this. She is super talented and these are beautiful. She's done a few for the family members, and so we just wanted to hang this up, and we're using command strips because we didn't want to be poking holes in the wall, and because it's so much easier to move it, you know, if we have the command strips and we change our mind on where we'd like it to be. I know it's crooked but after we let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour like it says on the instructions, we took it off and repositioned it and straightened it out, so we actually got it much better. After putting up the picture, I started some cleaning the next day, and I wanted to get my downstairs living area and kitchen done. However, I was only able to do the kitchen, and that's okay because, you know, life happens. I have kids, I want to actually eat, shower, do things, so I was only able to do the kitchen. But that was plenty for me because a clean kitchen almost makes the whole house feel like it's been reset, and I can live with that. So you can see the mess here. I'm showing you the living room and everything because I thought I'd be able to get to it, but it wasn't meant to be and I didn't, but that's okay. I got to it on a different day, and that's kind of how life goes. You don't get everything done as planned. Sometimes things, you know, take the course they take. So just doing some dishes, cleaning up. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the music as there's not that much to say, and thank you so much for being here, and as always I truly appreciate you guys.
Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? It's over to say it out loud. Say those words, go and just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive as I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. it through the day. Cause I find my way, I find my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I find my way. Cause I find my way. Cause I find my way, my way, my way. Find my way, my way. Cause I find my way, my way, my way. Find my way, my way. I find my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
I had made some sweet and sour meatballs, and so my large casserole dish needed to soak a bit. And this little one, my mother-in-law had actually sent some lasagna home for me, and so I wanted to get the stuck-on bits. My dishwasher is good, but it's not great, so I need to help it out a little. So I needed to get the stuck-on bits off and then just pop it in the dishwasher where the rest of the cleaning will happen. while I let that soak, I was gonna wash it and decided to let it soak so it'll just be easier on me. I decided to go ahead and clear off the stove and clean that up. There was a few spots that needed some attention, and so just gonna quickly clean that up. I just used some Sapadilla multi-purpose counter cleanser for this counter, and I noticed there was a bit of staining here, and you guys are probably sick of me saying this, but get yourself a tub of Barkeeper's Friend. It is so effective at so many things. It got that marked out, like I didn't even have to put any pressure on the scrub. It just lifted it, and you guys, this stuff is so good. You're probably sick of me saying that, but it is really, really good, and you should get it. And it works really well.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the
dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on.
Okay friends, so time for some real hard facts. I just finished cleaning and I forgot to film like what it looks like after I was done, and that's all right. But then by the time I remembered, which it wasn't even 5 minutes, I had already made a mess in the kitchen, and that's okay because we live in our home, so they should be a little messy. They're not supposed to look like a magazine because you live here, you're doing your life here. And so I'm gonna turn you around and show you what all I did in a few minutes, and then encourage you that even if this happens to your house right after you finish cleaning it, it's all good. So here it is. Not terrible, but a minute ago there was nothing there. So as I was walking, I found this, my son's breakfast dish. I'm having a everything bagel, so seeds everywhere. Me making myself some food. Already there's gonna be more dishes, but that is okay, you guys. The point of cleaning your home is not so that it says perfect. The point is so that you live in it and enjoy your space. So I hope this motivates you if you feel like you're always cleaning your house. You're not alone, and also you're not obligated to keep your home looking like a magazine cover. If you want to, that's okay, but by no means don't feel like you have to.
Forever.
Anyway, friends, that is everything for today, and I am so glad that you are here and shared your time with me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care, guys, and have a great weekend.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?